Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you need a flexible way to manage data without coding, Airtable is a great choice. Today, we'll go over how to use it for database management. Let's get started. 1. Set up your workspace. Sign up at airtable.com, create a base, and choose a template or start from scratch. Customize tables to organize your data. 2. Structure your database. Airtable works like a spreadsheet, but with powerful database features. Use different field types and link records between tables for better organization. 3. Customize views. Visualize data with grid, Kanban, calendar, or gallery views to track projects, schedules, and more. 4. Automate workflows. Set up automations to handle repetitive tasks, integrate with Zapier or Slack, and use forms to collect data seamlessly. 5. Collaborate with your team. Assign tasks, manage permissions, and track changes in real time with built-in collaboration tools. Airtable makes data management simple and efficient. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.